If you're looking to streamline your workflow with AI, Google Agentspace is a game changer for automating tasks across your organization. This enterprise platform, powered by Gemini's advanced reasoning and Google's top-tier search, integrates with tools like Google Drive, Salesforce, and Jira to create a unified hub for information and action. Imagine asking, "Find the latest project report and schedule a review meeting," and Agentspace pulls data from multiple sources, drafts emails, and books a slot on your calendar, all with one prompt. Its no-code agent designer lets non-technical users build custom AI agents to automate repetitive tasks, like generating reports or onboarding employees, while developers can use Vertex AI for complex workflows. Pre-built agents, like the Deep Research Agent, synthesize data into concise reports, and the Agent Gallery offers access to Google and third-party solutions. Built on Google Cloud's secure infrastructure, it ensures enterprise-grade privacy and compliance. However, it's pricier, starting at $25 per seat and currently in early access with an allow list. For businesses in Google's ecosystem needing seamless automation, Agentspace is unmatched.